Finance teams need simple ad hoc reporting to fulfill custom or last-minute requests, but SAP data structures are complex. Without a proper reporting tool, your finance team is stuck copying data from SAP into Excel. That process is time-consuming and error-prone. Escape the limitations of financial reporting with Wands for SAP from Insight Software. Wands solves common reporting challenges by automating manual processes and enabling real-time drill-down capabilities, leading to shorter month ends and faster ad hoc inquiries. Quickly retrieve balance data from SAP in real time by simply changing the input criteria in your Excel spreadsheet. Once you have a summary balance, double-click to execute a drill-down. Click again to go even further to line item detail and then down to the document level, helping you better analyze your financial data. Expand your reporting view for cost element groups by leveraging SAP hierarchy. Then reproduce the report for a subset of master data, quickly creating reports for multiple cost centers. When drilling down into the details, Wands also allows you to pull data outside of FICO, such as PO quantity, for more complete reporting. Once you've saved a report template, access it later in the Shared Templates folder. This helps with version control and consistency across your organization. Empower finance teams to shrink reporting cycles with refreshable, drillable reports from Wands for SAP. Visit insightsoftware.com to learn more.